Hi everybody, my name is Mirko Nosari and I'm the sales manager of Rejves Machinery. Today I'm very pleased to introduce you another masterpiece from our company. This is in this case a monobloc, specifically designed for the pharmaceutical industry. As you can see, I'm not wearing a mask, but we're following all the COVID-related regulations. So everyone involved in this video is wearing a mask and keeping the distance. Everything that we do today is absolutely safe. As a matter of fact, I'm in a very tight spot. I'm in between the monobloc, which is provided with the filling and capping, and here we have the labeling machine, so that in this circuit we can provide everything: filling, capping and labeling. There are many interesting features with this monobloc, but one of the most interesting one is that we only have one change part for all 4 bottles. And that's because we do have provided the bottles with pucks, so that these allow us to have only one format and work everything seamlessly. So we are at the beginning of the journey of our bottle. And as I said before, this bottle comes into pucks that we specifically design and manufacture. The bottle enters the star wheel, and the first thing that it encounters is the no bottle, no cap system. So this sensor will signal the capper that a bottle is coming. Being a pharmaceutical monobloc, safety is pivotal, and this safety is achieved through the use of a peristaltic pump. The use of the peristaltic pump gives us many advantages. One is for sure the safety, because the product never touches anything except the nozzles and the tubing themselves. Also, the peristaltic pump, because of this feature, allow us to do very fast changeovers, because what we have to do is just change the nozzles and the tubing, and that's done in few minutes. Here we are at the filling section. This filling section is very technological. First of all the section moves bottom up, which means that allows our nozzles to enter the bottle and fill bottom up. This allows us a faster filling. Also, the nozzles are provided with mesh inside the nozzles itself. Therefore, they are anti-foaming and anti-dripping. But if there's any chance that a drip comes outside of those nozzles, we do have a pneumatic tubing that allow us to aspirate any unwanted liquid. Also, these nozzles are featured with 2 centering bells that allow us to center perfectly the bottle and enter seamlessly inside the bottle for the filling. The filling from the bottle, and therefore the movement bottom up of the whole section, can be provided in 2 ways: through a pneumatic system like here, or through some servo motors. This monobloc, as we already said, has a filling and a capping section. Here we have our monohead capper. This monohead capper is a mechanical capper provided with an hysteresis magnetic clutch, which allow us to regulate perfectly the torque applied to the cap. The system that provides the caps to the capping head is the pick and place. This is the junction between the cap chute and the capping head. This is the no cap or high cap sensor. This will allow us to understand if there was no cap provided to the bottle, or also if the capping was not perfect. Therefore, the cap will be a little bit too high, and the sensor will signal that to the machine, and the machine to the operator. This is the automatic feeding system, and the objective of this system is to provide caps to the capping section. In this case, we have a vibrating bowl. The most interesting feature of this vibrating bowl is the fact that it's covered in resin. This resin allows the cap to be easily cleaned and therefore to have a completely safe and healthy environment. Here we can see also the U-curve that brings the caps to the cap chute. Here we are below the monobloc, and as you can see, it's very tidy and clean. Well, being this monobloc provided with an indexing system, we do have here the indexing itself. This is an indexing system in oil bath. This will allow you not to worry about it. It will never cause you any issue at all. As a standard, our machines come with a Siemens PLC, and this one, like every other, has the PLC and the Siemens HMI. This is a touchscreen HMI, and the operator can easily change all the parameters that allow him to change the format or control the machine itself. All the information will be provided on this screen. As we said before, this system is provided with a filling section, a capping section, and a labeling section. So it's a complete system in few square meters. And as we said, everything run on pucks. So also this labeling machine needs to work with pucks. And this is done easily, like that. This labeler is going to take the bottles, take them out from the puck, label them, and put them back into the pucks, so that the operator will receive a perfectly filled, capped, and labeled product. So thank you for your time. I hope this video was informative enough. If you have any questions on this machine or any of our solution, please write us an email at info@rejves.com. Please also subscribe to our LinkedIn page. You will find it easily, and our YouTube channel. We're going to provide it with a lot of content in the forthcoming months. So, thank you again and see you soon. Bye.